Alright, so I enjoy cooking as well, and I'm going to make some quick, lazy person's vegan pancakes, because time's precious when you're trying to train and just in general. Who can be bothered to make loads of big fancy recipes, so mine's vegan lazy. This series is called Vegan Lazy. Baking paper to put that pancake mix on. What I've got here is a game changer. You don't need to buy baking paper ever again. You just need to buy this one thing. You can use it for everything. The only thing is, I think most of them goes to a high of like 260 degrees, but you never have it like that high. So you can wash it again, and great for the environment. Plus, really practical. You're right. So just stick in all the ingredients together at the same time. Doesn't matter what order. There you go. Find the lid so it doesn't go everywhere. Who else has made that mistake? Put it onto whatever and there you go, that's the pancake mix done. There you go, get your baking tray out, pour the mix on, give it a good scoop, because when you're eating the pancakes you always want one more. Here is that one more. Just spread it out evenly across your baking paper sheet thing. Right, oven's ready, 200 degrees. Whack it in, middle shelf. Right, that's in there now. We're going to leave it for probably 10 to 12 minutes until you can see on the top, on the very edges, it's slightly burnt. Then that's probably when it's ready. I'll show you. And the great thing about these pancakes and why they're called lazy pancakes is the fact that you don't have to individually fry them in a frying pan with coconut oil or anything, and then at the end you don't even have to do any washing up, or whoever is doing the washing up doesn't have to do any washing up, which is normally me. Perfectly unperfect, so as you can see, just a slight golden on there, and you'll be able to see that it's cooked all the way through but still moist in the middle. If it doesn't come off very well, just slide the knife quickly underneath it. I've already done it, I forgot to do it, but I'll show you. Just go like that, then don't press too hard because of the silicone thing. Just cut it into like a noughts and crosses sort of thing. There you go, nice and easy. Grab your plate, boom, bang, nice ones there. And I have got some maple syrup and I'm just gonna pour it all over. There you go, some quick, easy, lazy vegan pancakes. Just time to eat them.